Hello guys, today we will talk about the tiny house made easy. The video's reviews. We have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy tiny house made easy. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing tiny house made easy. The first thing you need to know about tiny house is, be careful about the website you will buy tiny house made easy, because tiny house made easy is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So, what is tiny house made easy, and how does it work? And the answer is yes, tiny house made easy works and you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with tiny house made easy, including on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used tiny house made easy, and you can have results too. That's a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic about your usage and expectation of this product. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test a tiny house made easy during 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they give you your money back, because we are presenting this product so that you can add a new form of experience and learning to your life. So be safe to use the tiny house made easy, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for a tiny house made easy to work, you need to take the experiment seriously. You need to practice every day. This product has a step-by-step guide to everything you might need to start your tiny house from scratch, all the necessary tools, complete content, or else you won't see great results and you'll get a little frustrated. You may see initial results in the first month, but most people experience better results after months of using this product. All you need is to keep the effort and an open mind to be able to constantly evolve. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy a tiny house made easy, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact experiment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that tiny house made easy really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.